Kawaii Rainbows 2, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be comparing store-bought slimes from Michaels and Target.
We want to give a shout out to these amazing subscribers. If you want a chance to be featured in one of our future videos, comment down below a video suggestion or a positive comment with the hashtag Kawaii Rainbows 2 fam. And as always, links to all the shops that we reviewed in this video will be in the description box down below, as well as a link to our Instagram, so make sure to follow us on there.
Thank you guys so much for helping us reach 10,000 subscribers. We are currently waiting for a few more prizes to arrive and will soon be uploading the giveaway video.
The first store that we bought from is Target.
We purchased a spring-inspired 3-ounce slime called Fluffy Marshmallow Chick Slime for $2.99. This slime was putty-like but had a very unique and soft texture. Something that we loved about this slime is that it included 3 adorable chick charms. We really enjoyed the sour candy scent that reminded us of the candy called Juicy Drop Pop. We did want to point out that the more we played with it, the easier it became to rip. This slime was pretty clicky, holdable, and created nice bubble pops.
The last slime that we bought from Target was a 3-ounce Happy Bunny slime for $2.99. This was an extremely clear putty slime that was also very thick and holdable as well as clicky. This slime included 3 bunny charms that we absolutely loved. This slime also became more tough as we played with it, but we really loved this sweet Jolly Rancher-like scent.
Moving on to the slimes from Michaels, we purchased a Crayola slime pack that came with 3 slimes.
The first slime in the pack was a 4-ounce blue glittery slime that came in a Crayola crayon container of the corresponding color. This had the slightest putty-like texture but came the closest to resembling homemade slime. This was great for bubble pops and was pretty stretchy. This was also clicky and holdable, and as for the scent, it wasn't the worst, but it did have the typical chemical-like smell.
The next slime was another 4-ounce clear-based glittery slime, but was instead a light lavender color that showed just how clear and nice the slime was. We also really liked how the iridescent glitter was easier to see.
The final slime that was included in this Crayola crayon slime pack was another 4-ounce slime. We loved how vibrant and neon the pink color was, but did notice that this was the most putty-like slime out of the 3 slimes in the Crayola crayon pack.
After playing with the slimes from both stores, we couldn't come to a clear conclusion on which store-bought slimes we liked better. We did enjoy the charms and scents from the Target slimes, however, the slimes purchased from Michael's had a stretchier texture resembling homemade slime and had unique and creative containers. Let us know who you think deserves to win by either answering the poll in the right-hand corner or leaving a comment down below.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and leave a like if you want to see more videos like this.